Is your Outlook showing 0x8004010F error every time you try to send, receive, or sync emails? This error usually means there is a problem with your Outlook data file, often a missing OST or a PST file, or an issue with how your account is set up. There are a few reasons this error can appear, including a corrupted data file, incorrect Outlook profile setup, or outdated Outlook software. In this video, you will learn quick fixes to get your Outlook started working smoothly again. And yes, if you need more help, then dial in the numbers on the screen for real-time expert guidance. Alright then, let's jump right into the solutions now. Method 1. Change the PST file's location. First, open the Outlook application and click on the File tab. After that, select Account Settings, then click on the Account Settings options again. When the pop-up box appears, click on the Data File option. After that, click the PST file with a check mark. Next, click on the Location options to change the location of that file. If your Outlook error is gone using the above solution, then make sure to like and subscribe. But if the problem isn't fixed, let's move on to the next method. Method 2. Make a new Outlook profile. Go ahead and open the Control Panel window. Then, look for the User Account option and click on it. Next, you need to select the Mail option. Now, click on the Show Profile option on the open pop-up. On the next screen, click on the Add button. Go ahead and type your profile name and click on OK. On the Add Account pop-up, fill in your information and click on the Next to complete the profile.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit help@emailtails.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.